Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Jamila. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and follow me on my social medias if you would like more videos like this, and drop a comment if you like it. You can already tell by the comment that I'm about to show you guys how to wrap your hair. So right now my hair is it's not looking pretty nice, so I decided to tie it before I come in front of the camera. So I'm gonna demonstrate a few of my hair wrap looks that I normally do. And most of the time my hair is like wrapped in like cornrows. I mean wrapped in cornrows. My hairs are in cornrows. So today, or sometimes I just don't do anything to it. So today I'm gonna show you what I usually do. So look number one is my go-to look because it's easy, it's quick, and no hassle. Like literally no hassle. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to worry about anything. So the first fabric is a dashiki. It's like a piece of like a fabric that I used to make an outfit back in 2016. So I've been using this for the past 2 years to wrap my hair. And it's pretty short. So what I usually do, because it's big, but I don't like I just fold it a bit. So what I would do is I wrap it from the back of my head like this, and then I bring it to the front, and I would tie it like this. So what I do, I'm gonna do a bun, but I'm going according to the way that I tied it. So since I tied it, the top is like this, so this is gonna come to the front like this, and this is gonna go to the back like that. And it's easy, and I feel like this is a better alternative compared to getting your hair braided, having all that pain. And this is like easy. It's also protected. Like it doesn't only protect your hair, it protects your ear from the freakishly cold winters. Easy, quick, under a few seconds. Look number two is approximately the same as this, but with a different kind of scarf. So this is like I don't want to say traditional scarf, but this is what I use. It's big. I don't know how I got this, but I have like two other scarves like this, and one I got from a flea market, the other one I got from Target for $14. Crazy. The one from the flea market was only $1. So this one. So I do the same process from the back and that in. So there are two ways. Like, if you want to do it like this. So one, you can do it like this, and then just leave it in one and just do like this, and then just go around. So what I usually do is I hold this and I do the bun around it. So like I really don't, sometimes like I don't actually care if that part is closed or not, because the bun is gonna close it up. And then I make sure every single thing is in there, and then I just like air out. So you see, nothing. So number two, what you can also do with this, which is what I've been doing more recently, is I just twist it. It gives it more like effect. Like it's not boring. There's more taste to it. And then around. So you see this one? That looks much nicer, much neater. And then okay, so look number three. This look, I use 3 wraps to wrap my hair. I mean, oh no, 2 wraps to wrap my hair. So the same thing, go like this. Wrap this around. So So what I'm trying to achieve right now is height. So this wrap, it doesn't really matter how good it looks because nobody's gonna see this one. And then we also want to make it to be good enough to give the second wrap a base, like a shape. Let's see. Okay, wrap number 2, I'm gonna use the pink one. They're approximately the same. So like this one is like this big as well. Fold this in 2 as well. And then from the back, and make sure your ends are even. And then I want to tuck this in to secure your wrap, and then oh no, I'm like, what did I say? Tuck it in, and then next, gotta just make this side look nice, give this side a more volume, and then you tuck it in here, or you find a place to tuck it in, and we're good to go. Nice. Let me show you some more basic wraps that I do. I'm gonna use the pink wrap. Other wraps that I also do is, so you're gonna wrap this one. This one is different. Start from the front, and I usually like to bring it like halfway down, and then this one, so I just could do braid them together. Doesn't need to be like neatly braided. And then I just bring this across, and then I tuck this in the back. So I'd see, yeah, this is not well done because my wrap, it's uneven. So lesson number 1. Don't let it get uneven. It looks nicer from like here to here because I'm not redoing it. But you get the point. And something else you can do is a bun in the back. Wait, what? No. So what you're gonna do the same thing as the one in the front, but this time you're doing it in the back. So, and then you tuck it out like easy. Nice. Swap. And then last but not least, so make sure it's even from the front to the back. So like the thing that we did with the big, and then from this you're gonna find it like I usually just, so you're gonna do like this, and we're gonna tuck it somewhere in the back. repeat the same process of this side. And then now this one, I just tuck it in somewhere. And then ears out. So with this one, you can do like 2 wraps, like have a base wrap, and then it'll be like showing me like right here. It looks cute. It looks neat. And there you have it. I showed you guys how I wrap my hair under 10 minutes. That's lovely. So, if you haven't been doing it, or if you haven't done it, follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, click that bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video, and drop a comment. Tell me whether you like this video, and tell me how you got it, and send me pictures if you were able to like wrap your hair. If you did it, send me a picture. But you know, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on the gram, and add me on Snapchat, cause you know your girls still want to stay in contact with y'all. I don't know some of y'all, but we're gonna get to know each other. Thank you. Bye. Love you guys.